Welcome back, everyone. This is Will K-Mac Vintage coming to you with another video now for the Apple IIc Plus, where I'm gonna show you how things have turned out. Because I have quite a bit I want to do tonight on it. I'm switching over to the desktop cam. This is the metal frame. This was the side that was all rusted, so you can see now after painting it and that it's all back without any rust, without anything. So I think it's very good, turned out very good. Because not all the old paint came off, that's the only reason why you see this difference here. Like here, you see where it's raised is the old paint, and where it's lower is where I took off the old rust. But this side is very shiny, very nice, very smooth, very good spray done. So now this gets put together like this. So there are no screws holding it, so I'm gonna have to use keys. So like I need to take one of the keys I just finished doing, snap that in, and then put it on the board like that. And nope, this goes the other way. I'm gonna go down like that. And then I need to solder that one, and I need to put another one in the other corner. Then solder those two, and then it gives me actually. Let's go ahead and do it. Let me solder those two. Oh, wait a minute. I can't do that yet. I got a lot of other things I need to put in first. I got these two items I need to put back in. Let me zoom out because this is too zoomed in and you're not seeing. So I have all these plastic pieces I need to put back in. Not mistaken, all of these. Oh, let's see. I'm in this side like this. Snap it in. Okay, like that. Okay, they're going in very well. See, good thing I remembered about these little suckers. I guess I could have put them in after the fact because they're not really in the way of the keys. Missing one. I might be missing one. No, it's here. I found it. I knew I shouldn't have been missing because I kept them all together in the same place. Okay, so all those pieces are back in. The only two pieces not in are the two LEDs. Hmm. So make sure that's sitting in good. Put this other one up here. This is for the reset. So now I can come and try to. Let's get those two in. Because this will help me anchor it, and then I'll put in two more in the other corners. Okay. Really, what I need is the switch level with the board. So let's just do one first, and we will. Okay, that's good. We do the next side. Okay, now let's do one more on each corner. Okay. That's the caps lock down there. The two locks are here, here. That's it. And they're the white ones. There we go. Okay, now that's not gonna go nowhere. Okay, now we can fill up some more keys. Okay, so just a matter of in. Here. Some of them I may still have to bend back if they don't go in easily. I need to fix the pins. Boy, this looks so much nicer, huh? Compared to what it was, right? And I need to fix number 35. See, so it's just a matter of putting them in, solder them away. So, but I'll solder it. I'll solder that on my time. I'm not gonna fill the video with just constant solder work. But I do want to put in more of these. So now I also did the retro bright on the case. I'll show you that in a few minutes. I think I need to do it a little bit more. It's not to my liking, but I brought it in so at least I can test with it and use it. I like doing these keyboards. I mean, it's so nice when you bring them back to life. Now here I want to put, I want to put it up here. Oh, did I solder that one? No, I didn't. I got one switch that has a broken leg, and I'm gonna join a leg on it. I'm gonna put it at a place that is not used too often, so that's the one up there. Now these here, I need to straighten up the legs. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, now to go solder everything, but I'll solder that off screen. What I wanted to show you was, remember how yellow the case was? On it, but it was. See, it looks a lot better. But here you can see a big difference still. You can see that the top is still it's still a little bit too yellow. Bottom looks pretty good. I think the bottom turned out better, except for here. And the back still needs a little bit of retro brighting. So I will retro bright it some more tomorrow. But I do want to try to use. See, so I do want to try to see if I can do something with this today. I need to see how I can get this out. I want to get that out of there somehow so I can retro bright that. Yeah, I still got something with a disc. See, something sticking somewhere. Yeah, I'll have to check and see. Maybe, I mean, this is just a standard 800, 400, 800K drive. I have some of those that I can use, so it's really not too much different than the ones used in the Max. So I can easily swap it out if I need to. So, but yeah, this is looking good. Let's put this aside. And I'm gonna solder this keyboard, but I'll do that off camera. I don't need to not gonna bore y'all with soldering all of these points and fixing that trace. So I'll be back in a bit, and for y'all it'll be instant. For me, it could be a bit. All right, see y'all soon. All right, folks, I've come back. Um, I've actually done quite a bit of stuff here. I may go to my other view here. I actually have. I put the power supply back actually together. Um, I have the keyboard all done. I have, I think, one or two keys that are giving me a little bit of trouble, but I'll figure out what those are. Um, and I've already, some reason the green LED is still not coming on. I don't know if it's probably burnt out. I don't think I have other ones like that. Or I put it in backwards, or someone else put it in backwards to begin with. I mean, I guess I could try to flip it around. Because when I look at it here, it says anyway. I don't think I have any. Do gonna be like in this thing, and I don't know if I have any green ones. Oh, would you look at that? Huh. It's not the exact same green one, but I do think it is. It might be compatible. Let's see. I want to use the other wick. Where's my other wick? Oh crap. No, let's do a quick swap here and let's see. Warming up, warming up, warming up. Big ground plane there. Okay, now is that the diode side? A little bit shorter, but is that the diode side? I'm presuming it is. That means then that this is gonna go in like this. It's a little bit longer, but I'm not gonna cut them yet. If not, I can switch them around quick. Still not come on. Okay, well then we will take this back out. Stick it back in. That that diode drawing is a bit off, a bit strange. There we go. We have light. Fix it a little bit. Okay, but I think that LED is going to be a bit too high. I did write down the capacitors for the power supply so that I can get with Luke at Console 5 and see if he can make me a kit. So we should now have red and green LED. And on the screen, we have that. We have arrow keys working. Spacebar moves you down, enter. You know, I need to flip this camera over, but let's see if I can get enough slack on this zip tie. We need to do it like this. But now I'm still upside down. Let me go to properties and flip this. There we go. Okay, catalog the disk. This is working. And okay, now I did try all the keys. This is the one that is not. The equal is working. I don't know what is next to the equal. I took a picture of it. Let me see what that one is. I don't remember off the top of my head. Equal. This should be the minus and underscore. So for some reason that one is not working. Is it not soldered in? No, it's soldered in. I'll have to check that. And then I have A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, K, K giving me a little bit of trouble. So it's underscore K, G, H, J, K, L, and then I think over here it was V. Okay. I think it was V. V earlier was giving me some trouble. Well, I guess not. I guess not now anymore. Okay, so we can see now that at least I'm getting some video. I'm getting all that working well. My main issue is this, because you see for some reason it's getting stuck there. Because when I go put in the drive there too, it's looking like it's too low. Ejecting it is fine. It's going in is my problem. Because even if I have it just like this, you see, it doesn't go in all the way. I gotta. Something is not taking it in all the way. So that's something I gotta try to figure out what it is and see. But for the rest, I mean, this thing is working fairly well. I mean, if I take the cover I do have here, I have to turn it off because I gotta undo these. I have the handle, but it's in the garage. So for now, let's just come out pretty nice. The LED is fine. Put him back up. And we should be back up, yeah. There we are. This comes out. Going back in is a problem. That's what I still gotta see what the problem is with that, because it doesn't want to go in good. So, um, what do I need to do still with this? I need to, tomorrow I'm gonna retro bright it some more because I don't like this yellow. You see, you can still see some yellow there. If I zoom in, see, and this is not blotches and that from the retro bright. This is just, they were there to begin with. It wasn't that well. So I will try to do that some more tomorrow. Um, I'm gonna do the mix a little bit different. I have to clean the keys. I have to retro bright the space bar. There you are. But I also need to clean all the keys. But I still find it a little bit yellow. You see, you can see the two differences. So I need to definitely do some more on it tomorrow. Most of that will go away. I mean, it will get better because all my other machines have done the same thing. It's just I mixed it with something else yesterday. I mean, today that I should not have done. So, but yeah, I need to figure out why these three keys are giving me trouble. The minus, which is this one, K, and V is repeating. Um, what I didn't check was if my LED was on. Yep, there we go. Red and green. There they are. They're working. It's a little rough. There's some deep gouges on it, like something was rubbing on it. Maybe the monitor. But it's a 2C plus. Hard to find. So anyway, folks, I am gonna wrap it up on this video. Y'all have seen how the 2C has come together. I'm not completely done with it yet. I still want to retrobrite it, like I said, and I need to clean this some more and the power supply and that. So I do got some more work to do on it. Um, I need to figure out that floppy issue. Okay, I need to clean all this up a little bit more. I may wire wheel it and then paint it. I have I have a zinc oxide paint that I use on the bottom pan or tray for the Apple III. I probably use the same thing here. The power supply too. I need to get rid of this rust. Maybe that's why the volume wasn't working, because the speaker wasn't working. But that's not volume, is it? Yes, it is. Huh. Huh. I was wondering why the speaker wasn't working. Now, at least I'm glad to know that the speaker is okay. But yeah, I need to do that stuff and then finish retrobrighting it, and then I can put this back together and consider this a done deal. Figure out why this floppy is giving me that trouble. I mean, it's moving pretty well. It's the only one that's giving me this. All the other ones have been working well. So, anyway, so I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm a bit tired tonight too, so having that dental work today and that done, and my tongue hurts and all that. So, uh, I may call it a night early tonight. So, it's 8 o'clock here now. Go lay down, watch some videos, and maybe doze off. Anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. If you all enjoyed this video, please do a thumbs up. Comments are also appreciated. Um, and I'll gonna keep on working on things. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm gonna work on yet. Um, the SE is done. I have, well, not partially done. I have the 128. I have the 475, or I think, what is it, 475 or 457 Performer there. Um, I have the portable, but the portable is going to be a lot of work. I may not start on that yet. So, anyway, everyone, have a good night, and we'll see you in the next video. Alrighty? Bye bye, everyone.